Onye mom.
Hello, Chavo.
Onye mom.
Ijele, I want to talk to you. How are you? How is your family?
We are fine.
Okay. And there's something I want to tell you about your son, Odile.
Odile Nkem? I am listening.
Ijele, I saw your son, Odile, snatching people's bag at Nko. And it hurts me so much see him do that. Now everybody is pointing finger at him. Imagine, they will soon report him to the police or the vigilante. The worst is that some group of boys, they are planning to stone him to death. Please, Ijele, I advise you take him away from here before it's too late. So,
Mama Nkechi, are your ears open? My son did not do it. He did not. And let today be the first and last day you will stop me to tell me anything about my family. If not for one thing, I will squeeze out this your lips. I'll just squeeze it out so that next time you will mind your business. And it is your family they will stone to death, not my family. Mind your business. Mind your business.
Ijele, we are not fighting, no.
I
just want to advise.
Do I look like anybody quarreling?
Why you? I'm not fighting you or quarreling you.
I'm
just advising you, please. Oh, my mouth, Pim.
Take your amount to your shop.
Ijele, please, I'm not quarreling you.
Aslebakute olaru nani. Ogo bununu na iko. O delete this, o delete that. O mezulu ni ike. Ndo cho. Nchiche kwakwa aka beli imi.
Chief Ezumezu, please, I want you to give me more time. Give me a little time more so that I can pay you back your money. I will, please.
Okoro, you don't get it. Huh? This loan is long overdue and I cannot wait any longer. It's either you pay me back my money or you give me your daughter, Okwama, in exchange.
Chief Ezumezu akayo. Welkeni Wayo akayo. Like I said, I am going to pay you this money back. Soon. Just give me a little time more. And I would like you to avoid bringing my daughter into this. Don't bring her into this at all. I mean, you are old enough to become her father. So don't talk about my daughter in this case. And besides, she's the only one that I have after my wife died. She's the only one giving me a helping hand. Try to understand. Please.
Does it count? I am still very fit. I can coach him. I need her for blood tonic. Can they refresh your window? Okoro, I will give you the last grace. In 7 days' time, consider paying me this money with the interest. If after 7 days' time, I come here and you are not able to pay this money, you will have to give your daughter, Okwama, in exchange for this money to me. In 7 days, you will like the face of the masquerade you see. Masquerade you see.
Jebekene.
Ntia yi mo wi fa.
Ntia yi mo.
Nyewa.
Okugwo kanjiyo.
Kwa wijinu. Tia. Melalu.
Tremble. I said get out.
Kwa wiji.
Look at you. Utuneke ni odiko alapo ogbazu ina acho nyege egbu. It is you that I am owing you money, but you are here talking nonsense. They can have more long. It's in a ben. Titan on it to be Luemar. What that tree? He got. Can you imagine?
Papa.
Yes.
I overheard your discussion with Chief Ezumezu.
Don't mind that big fool. That he good.
How much are you owing him?
I am owing him 70,000 naira, which I used during your mother's burial. And I promise giving him additional 30,000, making it 100,000 naira. Eh? And I'm not saying that I will not pay him. I'm just asking him to give me a little time so that I can pay him. Eh? Look at him. Where do I get that kind of money from now? Eh? I have not received my pension for the past 6 months. And the idiot came here and was blabbing, talking rubbish. Can you imagine? He came for his money and he's asking for another thing that I should give you to him to marry. Is he mad?
Papa, but I hope you're not considering that, giving me out to that old pig.
Abumonyala. And it is not going to work. And who is he?
No problem, Papa. Don't worry yourself, okay? I'll do something about it. Oh?
I don't know how you are going to do it. I don't know what we can do. However, I know that God will provide that money for me to pay him. When I pay him this money, let call Chelum. Don't worry, my dear.
It's okay, it's okay.
And I'm on my pocket.
Baby more.
No, I don't want. Stay.
Baby, what's the problem? Huh? You've been looking so moody today. Did anybody beat you? Did anybody get you angry? Talk to me.
It's Chief Ezumezu. My dad is owing him the sum of 100,000 naira, and he threatened to take me in the place of the money if he doesn't pay back to him.
Eh?
Yes.
No, but Mban, it's not possible. It won't happen. So Chief Ezumezu has grown wings to compete with me. Can you imagine? For a small 100,000 naira, he wants to take you in exchange? Mban, it's not possible.
So, baby, will you give me the money?
Whatever you want, just say it. I will give you anything. Baby. Eh? Baby, I have money. You know I can make money at any given point. Don't worry, I will give you the money.
Are you serious? Oh.
Oh yeah? Ah, baby more.
Thank you.
This is for you.
You are a darling.
You are my baby.
Thanks, you're a darling.
Baby. Eh? Seren wee. Seren wee.
Thank you so much.
You are my baby. I will protect you. You got that? I don't want you to frown again. Eh?
No, I am happy. I am excited.
Anybody that gets you angry in this village, baby, cut off his tongue.
Thank you,
Also for you, babe.
Papa.
No, ma. Papa.
Papa, this is 100,000 naira. So have it and settle that Chief Ezume as well. So we will stop disturbing you.
Okwamma.
Papa.
Where did you get this kind of money from?
Yeah, Papa Ebiakwa, rapi de na moto ba moto. Just make sure you settle him, okay? So he will stop giving you problems.
I will! Hey! I know he. I'm one Germano. Afunwelo tania. Kontu akumena ini. Oh, I miss your mother. Gadelema.
About inside, I have some things doing inside.
Please, go. Hey! Oboro nwa onye ga-enye m na nsogbu onye ga-azọ m. Hey! This is very egolienchi. Onye akụ na-ebi okwu. Ekenekwa nga. Any money is money. Ego bụ ego. Osokwe nya bulu ego nde ekperima. It's money as long as it will solve the problem. Chifezumezu or Zumbu or whatever you are called. Come and insult me again. Let me see. Nketa la chawawanya. Hey! Enukwana. Ega zongyoku. Zokwasi yoku. Nkwana anyao. Hey! Adam Mado. Okwa moga dinata rima. Ina batego. Ina sekwe batego. Ina chini obe na batego. Oga dele mamwam. Oh. Aha.
Afonshi Nketa Udele Gebo.
I'm sorry.
You want blood tonic? I will give you overdose. Madman.
I'm sorry.
Ngodo. Yes, boss. Is this the only money you found in this house? Yes, boss. Only this? Ane Koga. Shame unto you. Ine Koga ki wenenko. Neme the mother intimidate at this community.
I am very sorry.
Nge mechi ya kwa now. Ngodo. Ziego gano. Hallelujah! Nge mechi ya now. Nge nego overdose now. Madam. Toperem. Tuhere mite. Tuhere container.
I don't speak in a matuali.
And I make out of here. Tuhere container. Tuhere container. Come here now.
That's my wife. Lalo. That's my wife.
Come we here sit in a hole now.
That's my wife.
Hey,
that is my wife. That's my wife.
Where is it?
My wife. Hey. That's my wife now. That's my wife. That's my wife.
Hey! wants blood tonic, I will give him overdose. Give it to me from the man.
That's my virgin daughter. That's my virgin daughter.
She's a virgin. I love virgins.
My virgin daughter.
Shut up.
My virgin daughter.
Shut up.
Ọbakwa. Ndị atụ asị onye awụkwa virgin. Ndị atụ asị Ọba. Express. Express.
You want to go? President Ndala. What? How you go my lab before? 1 month. 1 month. 1 month. What idea? You know, I am a Isala go with my God.
Okay. Give me small stuff.
Show you the age now, the one. Let's me up.
You're going to be a pie wow.
Hey!
You're going to be town. Which was he living dog? Eh? You won't eat your man food, daddy. Listen, I am not your mate. You check it out here and I'm even now. Why?
BP, but I'm brought up not to.
Am I your mate? Do I look like your mate?
Baby, go calm down, no.
Am I your mate? Do I look like your mate?
Hey! President Ndala, you slapped me, BP, but I'm brought up no too. Kimalola, President Ndala, you just slapped an oracle. Don't go fight.
Jesus!
Come on, go there, Papa Dia.
Mumo, dia paiwa, Mumo. President Ndala. Mumo, dia paiwa. Oh, boss. Bibi, fuck. President Ndala.
Hey! Udo! Neko wan perimpi. Alele! Nri na-eri ka ọ chọrọ iri. M ga-adọwapụ ya akwa na olu. Ka ọ mara na the guy bụ your guy. Hey!
He said you can't do anything, no. That he's not scared of you, that you're not his match.
Eh?
Also, he said he was just pressing my buttons anyhow.
Oh yeah! Only gun him. Oh my God! Tell him what did he do to you again?
He pressed my buttons after that. He started beating me. I said I should be calling him baby.
Baby! Only gun him now saying baby. It's for your baby.
Do I have option? He was beating me. Why would he?
It's for your baby.
I call him.
Eh, baby, one will jump. For calling him baby, one will jump. For calling him baby.
Baby, this is not good though.
One will jump.
Baby, I think you love me. You think like
I love you, and infidel. Then you should call him baby, and you call him baby. You don't know your guy. Eh? Hey, one will jump. Baby, hurry up. No. Abi, come. Baby, my baby. Hey! Orderly, Rugo! Orderly, Rugo! My baby, Poragi baby. Aneza, Osara baby. But Osara the baby.
No matter, you should jump like wow, let me jump.
Hey! Just say you can go.
Up here! Up here!
The one you have to tell now, Omodele, where is your son? Where is your son?
Any problem?
Zafa Jogi! Kichoka change ligia.
But I can change it. I've not seen my son since he left for work in the morning.
Which work?
Oh.
Listen, woman. We all know that your son doesn't do any work.
Hey,
shut up, listen! When your son comes back, tell him to report to us. If not, if I catch him myself, sorry will be his name. I want you.
Who knows what he has done this time? Odili will not kill me. If Kola will be there, because they are want kill her for my gene. Oh, Ofunwa. Ofunwa your lunch, if you. How?
Makachukwu ya kama mmayo feke biko ndebe nga mputa ko nwe fa na ekwu can you imagine ejina just the form don jazzy for nothing ozo ka na eze ka mbara akụ kiriwi Nwachukwu. I was just chilling with my friends. A girl walked out from nowhere and gave me the insult of my life. Oh God. Nemo, I stood up. I said nothing. I respected myself and left. Now, the news everywhere is that Ejina is looking for me. That he said the girl in question is his girlfriend. Mama, the girl in question is Maazio Okolo's daughter.
Oh. What a killer.
To God! Ejina, Ejina! And it is Ejina. Mwa was more you, but dog. Ejina mama banana.
So that's just what happened. That's just all.
Nemo, I can never lie to you.
Adema, this is just a very good opportunity to put all this rubbish to an end. Yes, I must put all this rubbish to an end. Don't worry.
daughter. The sacrifice has been done. But it will take 7 market days to complete his journey. After 7 market days, your son will return back to you. Yeah?
Okay. No. Nora, the priestess of all women, I thank you so much. I and my son will forever remain grateful. Thank you. Please take care of him. Take care of him. Dal. Dal.
Elders of the land, I greet you. You can see now that all respect for age and seniority have gone. I have been beaten by that small boy who told me that he can kill the whole of the community. Yesterday, my son-in-law was coming to me to pay the bride price of my daughter. They robbed him on the road, stripped him naked. What a nonsense. This is a disgrace to the community of Otunwo Kingdom. And we can't have it. Yes, it is true that the police are no more with us. But shall we leave ourselves to those criminals? Shall we fold our arms and watch them take what belongs to us with impunity?
Igwe, this matter have virtually affected everybody in this community. We have been imposed to pay levy by people who rob and bully us every day. They forcefully take what belongs to us. Let us put stop to this nonsense once and for all.
Supported.
Good talk. And if you ask my own opinion, Igwe, I'll suggest that we leave police out of this and plan for a new strategy on how to capture these criminals.
Igwe, I suggest we mobilize the youths of this community to join hands and fight this crime, to capture the criminal and his cohorts.
Igwe, since bullets does not penetrate in their bodies anymore, but they can still be killed with sticks and as well with stones if they are caught.
Yes. Ojako, you have a point there. Igwe, you go to the village square, assemble all the youths of this community. Tell them that it is high time we go for a freedom fight.
Guy, you need to hear from this man.
Go ahead.
Good. I am coming from the Igwe's palace. I have the information that you might want, but you will give me money.
If your information is right, you will get whatever you want.
Thank you. The Igwe has instructed Ibe to assemble the youth of this community to capture you and your gang. Right now, they are gathering at Nkwo Square.
Though Udo, if I find out that your information is not correct, I will cut off your manhood and stuff it in your mouth to swallow.
Trust me, my information is authentic.
Ngodo.
The guy.
Kona ma kanchawa.
Ocha. The guy.
Do. Eje mi ije na ndagwurugwu enyi.
Ana m atụ egwu ihe ọbụla maka na abụ m mmụọ alụsị. Ngodo.
The guy.
Assemble the squad.
Udo.
Udo! 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 Onwero.
Ijele nwanyi. Ijele.
Nna anyị.
Bialio. Please sit down.
Kefa Nanosland, when you know how busy I am at the backyard, say what you want to say. Let me continue with what I'm doing, please.
For some days now, I have not set my eyes on our son, Odile. Where has he gone to?
How will I know? Yeah, tell me. How will I know? Besides, Odili is no more a baby. He can take care of himself wherever he is. Why are you disturbing yourself? Why are you worrying yourself? Yeah? For once.
What are your responsibilities if you cannot give account of your son's whereabouts?
Let me ask you a question. What is your own responsibility? Since you cannot take care of your own son, you can't give account of your son, and you're asking me. You're asking your baby.
Well, if at the end of today, I do not see our son Odile, I will go to police post and report his disappearance.
Egbe. And Azoro, if you like, go to the Igwe. If you like, go to Ezemo and report. That is your business. Yes, it is your business. Like you know, I am very busy at the backyard, so don't disturb me. Act like a man. Do your responsibilities well. Act like a man. Nonsense.
More nonsense.
Nonsense.
Anyway,
Nonsense. Act like a man.
Otunkwaye! Yeah! Otunkwakwanu! Yeah! Otunkwakwanu! Yeah! Kazanu! Yeah! How can I follow? Bonsoye! 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 We will no more tolerate evil again in our community. Yeah! Guy and his boys will no more push us around again in this community. Yeah! Say no to intimidation. Yeah! Say no to harassment. Yeah!
Ah, Ibe. It's a G1 guy a shine na this town. Hero of Otunkwagon. Ipokatoro Mombashi. Omombashi. And they bring boys, oh yeah, boys, oh yeah. Ibe. Oh yeah, Ibe Nana. I can't take it. Ibe, oh yeah.
Ibe Lalo.
machine you brought.
Igwe.
Ekwe. Hope you got my money.
Why not? That's 250.
Hope you are complete.
Why not? You can count it. Next time you get my permission.
Arise. Arise, my son. Arise. Now, my son, you are immortal. You cannot be destroyed by a gun or a machine. You are half human and half dead. Take this. This is Odwana. You can touch it anytime you want to disappear. But one thing you will not do. You will not sleep with a woman that is menstruating. And a sacrifice of a one-day-old baby should be done every 30 days from now.
Thank you. As a one keep here.
You can go. 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 Go.
I have taken over the leadership of this community. I am now the new Igwe of Otunkwo community. I have come to put Otunkwo where it rightfully belongs. Itepulo Yoyo one of Otunkwo.
Ompa.
Take that list to the elders of the community. Tell them to prepare for the coronation of the new Igwe one of Otunkwo, the guy. Udo
One about up here there, one park here there, one about up here there, one park here there. Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Taja. Italy Bofia.
Anyana Funti!
No!
Adepanebu! From this moment, on this day, become the man you were born to be. You have it within yourselves to write your own legends. We will fight as one family, one team, and one people. And any living thing that deals. Sorry, be your name. Anyana Funti! Anyana Funti! Adepanebu!
Looking for my money and my money and my mom. I took me more money than one day. It's in your body, in one day.
I decree that any living thing that must call my name must call me Odili Wamama. Odili Wamama! Say Odili Wamama. Odili Wamama! Odili Wamama! Odili Wamama!
Akariga kwaruwe akonyeka kamutangiye
one about up here there, one park here there, one about up here there, one park here there. Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Taja. Italy Bofia, Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Taja, Italy Bofia.